So you guys, I look crazy right now, so I won't really be showing myself. But yeah, that's fine. I came back to my old apartment and I decided to do an empty apartment tour. Of course, have a final look of this place before I leave. So let me open up that window so you see what it looks like. At least we can have more light in here. So this is what it looks like when you come in. This is the door. And then it doesn't have any entryway or something. So when you come in, you are directly looking at the living room right here. So this is the living room, and it has that door, or will I call it window, whatever, right there. And then when you walk out right there, this is where you see your little balcony. It's small, and yeah, that's it. And then when you look this way, this is where you have your dining room area, and it has a ceiling fan up there. Yeah, this is where you have your dining room area, and then this way is where you have your kitchen. So this is where I've been doing all the cooking and all the good stuff. This is where I have been doing them. So this is what the kitchen looks like. Is honestly like smaller than where I am right now. So I love my new place. So this is it. It has just some few, like a few storage, and then right here it has, and this is the stove. Yeah, it just has a few storage up there, and this is the fridge. Yo, I cleaned everywhere real good. Like I cleaned up real good. This is the fridge. I really did clean up real good. This is the sink. It just has one sink, so everything, both the garbage disposal, everything is like right in here, and yeah, it just has this storage on here, and this is what it looks like. So if you haven't already, click that subscribe button. Subscribe because I'll be showing my new apartment, or my I'll be showing you guys my new place. So subscribe if you have not, and click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post any new video. This is the pantry when you are in the kitchen. Open their door, and this is the pantry. What I really like about this place is just the pantry. It's a bit big, like it's bigger than where I am right now, but that place has more storage. I don't even know how to explain it, but this is the pantry. You click, here is the pantry. Let me put up that light because I am heading out. I am heading out. So that way, yeah. So the living room again, and then you have the small hallway where you have your, what is it called? Like the place, the AC thing or something. Yeah. That's that. And then when you go this way, you see the kids' room. Yeah, this was my kids' room right here. Yeah, this was their room. Yeah, pretty okay, not bad. And this was their closet. But where we are right now, oh, let me put on the light. My bad. My bad. So this is the kids' room. When you walk in right here, this is what you see. This is the kids' room. Yeah, and then this is their closet. But where we are right now, the closet is bigger, way bigger than this. So this is their little closet. Yeah, this is it. Okay, we're balling out. So right here, this is where you have your something, and then here, just right here on the same hallway, this is where you have your bathroom. This bathroom is very small. Like it's small compared to what we have in our new place. Like that bathroom there is massive. So this is what we have right here. This is what we have. It's very pretty small. It's a pretty small bathroom. Yeah, this is what we have on here. This is the bathroom. So once I'm done, I'm putting on the light because I'm heading out. So this was my room. Yeah, it's okay. It was pretty big, not so small. It has a ceiling fan as well. And yeah, this was my room. Oh, let me put on the light. Yeah, this was my room, and I have that window and a beautiful view out there. Yeah, this is the master bedroom, and in here it has the toilet and the toilet half bath. It doesn't have a full bath. So this is, and then I also have this closet right here or something where I normally store things. So I also have that on there. And it's a pretty small place. It was just so small. Yeah, like. And then here my closet right here. You get to see my closet right here after the toilet. This is the closet. And yeah, it was the closet. The closet is actually spacious. It's big. I like it. Yeah, they have a big closet for the master bedroom, so it's pretty big. So here we go. I'm about to ball out. So this is what it looks like. Final look. So we can ball out. Oh, don't mind this key. So this is it. So yeah, this is it. Cool. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comment below. Tell me what you think. If you would love to see an empty apartment tour of my an empty apartment tour of my new place, then leave your comments down below and I'll show you guys that. Also, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post any new video. I'll definitely see you guys in my next video, and I have so much cleaning motivation coming. I have so much organization. I have so much hauls coming. I have so many things, I'll also be showing you guys my curated apartment tour. I'll also be showing you guys my fully furnished apartment tour. So subscribe and click on the notification bell so you get notified. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.